Hello everyone, I'm SV and welcome to my new tutorial. Today we will try repeat main titles to matrix. So if you are ready, let's start. Okay, we are in Cinema 4D. I use a version R20 and I use Redshift. So, if you have any other version of Cinema 4D, you also can use this tutorial without any problem. First of all, change for Redshift. Okay, here will be 32 passes in beginning. What we have to do? We have to prepare some texture for our material, for our Redshift material. So what we will do? Going to text, select text, and put any, I don't know, any Q. So font, I use a font matrix somewhere on top. You can download this font somewhere in the internet. It's free for use. Name of this font, just a moment, somewhere here it was. Yeah, this one. Okay, as you can see, we have like this. Very nice. So just make it a little bit smaller. Maybe more smaller. We will see. In beginning. Put it middle. And now apply for this text. Apply extrude. Something like that. This should be, everything should be 0. So you have like this. What now? Now we are going for MoGraph and for cloner. Take this extrude and put to the cloner. Okay. Inside in the cloner we have to make a following settings. So first of all it will be grid array. Something like that. This should be 0. No, just a moment. Yeah, this should be 1. Here we will put 60 and 60. Size 5900, 5900. Okay, look at this, what we have. We have many different symbols. What now? Now we are apply a camera and camera view, just a moment, will be front. Yeah, camera view will be front and zoom will be 0.2, something like that. I think it will be good. So now also I change the output for 1024, 1024, 24 frames per second. Okay, yeah, something like that. So if I render now, I will get many different symbols. Look at this. We have to wait a little bit. Coming calculation. Yeah, you see, I have really many different symbols. Okay, what now? Now I have to make a copy of this text. It's taking some time. I show you in beginning, so just Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and again Ctrl+V, and continues up to 40, as I remember correct, up to 42. Maybe I am wrong. Okay, I will make 44 for a moment. Okay, going in beginning and put next letter, W, and use all your letters from your keyboard. Okay, it's taking time, so now I little bit increase the time. Okay, I am back, so 43 and 44 I no need. So you have to make only 42. So as you can see, I use all numbers and I use all my keyboards, including some kind of symbols. Okay, when you are completed, so we are just make it minus. Just select everything and put inside to the cloner, something like that. Okay, what you get? As you can see, our cloner will make a clone and mix all our symbols. So we are going to cloner now, and what we will do, first of all, clone, we are use a random, just to receive a randomize, just to receive a good randomize. As you can, if you like, you can change any numbers to randomize it. Okay, we will get like this result. What now? Now we have to copy 2 times of last your extrude. Copy and copy 2 times. For what we need it, I use it empty space. Empty space, 2 times empty space. So we are going here and our text will be nothing. Going here, our text will be nothing. So just delete everything. Select it and put inside. And look at this. Somewhere we have some spice, we have some clone. If you need more to receive more randomize, you can increase quantity of these empty files. So when you are satisfied with this, just render and check what you will get. Look at this. Wait a little bit. Okay, look at this. Yeah, very nice and looks like very good result. Okay, what we have to do? We are going to output. We are going for save, use a PNG file, and we are use I don't know, symbols, somewhere on desktop. Yeah, I will save somewhere on desktop. Just a moment. My desktop, symbols, save. Okay, very good. And just render, nothing more. You can see what I get. Yes, I prepared this tutorial already. So symbols, wait a little bit. We are get like these symbols. We are receive many different symbols. As you can see, I did not use any texture or something like this. I mean material. So what I don't like, first of all, I don't like this half letter. So I like to little bit shift my cloner to right. What else? Somewhere down, you see, I also like to put little bit down my cloner. Okay, go in here, select cloner and make like this, just little bit. Yeah, just to see how it's working, go to options, go to configuration, view, and increase this opacity up to maximum. You will get your render window. As you can see, it's like this. Yes, so just take your cloner. You know, maybe a little bit change the distance. Just a moment. Front view. Yeah, maybe here will be 0.1. Yeah, coordinates. Now we will see, we will try to set up something. Okay, something like that. And now we will see if I increase up to 18. No, it's really too much. 17.5, 17. Render again and check what we are get. Yes, alright. So this is just set up to receive as better as possible this picture. Okay, what we get here is good. Down is not so good. Okay, we will see now. We are going back to cloner. And maybe we will change little bit put down. Maybe only for, I don't know, for 20. We will see now. And little bit, maybe a little bit more. 35. Wait. Check, render, and we will see what we will get now. Okay, looks like we receive good result. Looks like it's very nice. So it's already saved like a symbol. And as you can see, render time 0.6 seconds. Yeah, 0.6 seconds. So what quality we have? It's not so bad. If you like, you can increase and make it not 1024 increase and 2 times and to get more better result. But it really doesn't matter for this tutorial. Okay, what now? Now we have to make one more cloner. Okay. And inside in this cloner, we will use a similar setting. So minus 35, I'm going here and make it also minus 35. So I use almost similar settings. Going to object. Inside in the object, I use a grid array. Okay, I use a multi-instance 5900, 5900. Oh, sorry, no, negative 60, and here will be 5900. Here will be 1. Okay, you will do like this. Also make it random. And what we have to do now, inside in this cloner, we will put some object. So what will be this object? We are take just plane and select this plane like Z or positive Z, only one. It will be, I don't know, maybe 80, and length I will make a more 1000, maybe something like this. If you like, you can increase more, maybe 1500. It's really doesn't matter, but should be about like this. So what now we will do? Now I take this plane and put inside in this cloner. And as you can see, I have really many planes, Just a moment. What's the idea of these planes? The idea to receive quantity of symbols similar to quantity of this plane. It's very difficult to say if it's correct or not. Now we will see. Just a moment. We have to double check it. Just a little bit decrease. Okay, yeah, as you can see, I have almost same. Yes, if I use, you remember, I have 5,900 my white. I divide it for 60 pieces and I get 98. But I like to receive some space between, so I use a 80 for each plane, and looks like it's okay. Yeah, when you make like this, what you have to do, just a moment, I close it. You go for cloner, you have 60 is really, for this reason you have to decrease for maybe 6 only. Just a moment, we will see, maybe for 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Something like that, and here I reduce for 1000. So 5, and so maybe we will use a 6 just to receive randomized. So you have to get something like that. After that, for this cloner, you have to apply random effector. So inside in the parameters, this will be 0. This will be 0, and this you can increase how you like it. Maybe we will use 1000, something like that. You will get some randomize. After that, go to scale, and now you have to make a randomize of length of these lines. So just use not this, I think it is. Yeah, so I will use a 0.5. Some of them will be very short, some of them will be really very long. Maybe you can make it, I don't know, 0.75, something like that. Okay, very nice. So when you're finished this result, you can change some, I don't know, seeds if you like to make randomize, but really it doesn't matter. Now you have to, if I render now, just look what I get. if I render now, I get like this result, and I am not satisfied with this result. I need to make some material. So which material I will use? Create Redshift Material, standard. Apply this material to my plane. As you can see, I get like this result. What now? Now I have to make some kind of mask for my letters. So I am going for texture and use a ramp. Inside in the material, okay, this ramp I will apply to opacity color. Okay, as you can see, my top is dark, my down of the line is like a bright. I have some kind of opacity. Okay, very nice. So also I can use this ramp for let's say for my overall emission color. Okay, inside here I no need any more diffuse color and I no need any more reflection. I am going for coating, overall, and I make my emission weight for 1. As you can see, now I have emission and looks like very nice. So few settings for ramp. I make a copy of white and change this white somewhere. Just a moment. I'm going here and change somewhere for 90 centimeter. Okay. So and then I take this and move somewhere here up to white. So what I get? As you can see on my render, I have a really white color and then going dark up to 0 opacity. So this is my idea to receive a really nice mask only with one ramp. Okay, when it's done, just go for render. Sorry, negative. We are save it like a not symbols, we are save it like a mask. Okay, and render. Wait a little bit and check how it's working. Okay, looks like very nice. So now we have two texture, symbols and mask. Okay, what we have to do now? Create a new composition. Going for, I don't know, for cube. Change again for render settings for Redshift for 32. And we are start from beginning, yeah. Create Redshift Material. So what we will do, apply this material for a cube, go in here, make it little bit smaller, and start render. As you can see, I have standard cube, nothing special, with some Redshift material. So open shader graph, and now coming some really very interesting tricks which you can use for your render. Again, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to make a like for me, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. We are going for a texture. We are take two texture, 1 and 2. First texture, we will take, as you remember, some kind of symbols. Just a moment, where is it? Symbols, somewhere on desktop. Yeah, symbols, this one. Open. Next will be mask. Just a moment, mask. Yep, open. So it's just we are create few seconds ago. Okay, what we have to do? Our texture symbols we have to apply to overall emission color. Okay, something like that. Then we are going for basic. We no need any more diffuse. We no need any more reflection. So only overall, and our emission color will be 1. Maybe we will do it 2. So look at this. Look, it's really very nice, and we already have some symbols, and I feel a matrix. Very nice. What next? Now we are take our texture, and we have to apply this texture to our overall opacity color. Look at this. Wait, and what we get? We get already really nice result. So now I will use a DOM light white color just to see what we are get. You see, we are receive some, okay, maybe DOM light I will change for green, no, for yellow, just to receive some result to show you what is going on. Yeah, you see we have some black, white letters, and I like to clean to receive only letters. So what we have to do, we are take color composite, we are apply our letters and our texture to color composite and apply here for opacity. And inside we use a multiply. You see now working only base color, I will use multiply, something like that. And finally I will get only letters. So if I take out my dome light, we'll use only black. As you can see, I have only letters. So how to colorize it? As I know, you have a few ways you can overall tint. Maybe here you can make it. Yeah, it's working. No, it's not working. So don't touch it. I show you a more interesting result. You have to go for color inside in Redshift for color maker. Apply it here. And your mask apply for green channel. It's nothing special, just apply for green channel. And you already have a matrix code. And it's already really very beautiful and very nice. So, but how to, if I play now, yeah, it's finished. So it's already working. And now you can apply for any material. You can go closer. You can change, not necessary to use any other option. So if you like, you can use, doesn't matter, cylinder, cone, torus. Just take everything, put somewhere wherever you like, something like that, okay? And for all of them, apply this material, and look what we get. We get like this. Don't forget to change this material for cubic. You will get like this very nice result. Okay, second question, how to animate this texture? So it's very simple. You will animate it by mask. You are going for mask, and look at this. We are open, we are take this texture, and you have this offset. So look at this. If I change offset, my symbols, it's moving. So if I take this offset, my symbol moving down, okay? So for this reason, it's very simple. I have a 4 to 0, I have a 10 seconds my animation, or 20 seconds, or doesn't matter how second you will use it. Just a moment. Here I will change for 24 seconds. 10 seconds animation. Okay, we are open shader graph. We are going for frame number 0 and make it keyframe. We are going now for frame 240 and make it 10. Not necessary make too much, only 10. 10 will be enough. Or maybe 5, doesn't matter. Let's make it 5. What next? Don't forget, yes, take these frames, going for animate. Take these frames here. Select and change from interpolation from spline to liner, yeah, just to avoid any increasing or decreasing speed. Going back for users, render, and look at this. I just play and I get render almost on time. So render of each frame coming really very fast. What additionally you can make? If you're not so satisfied with this render, I'm going a little bit closer, you can in any time increase, going for material, and increase emission color for 5, for example. You will get it more bright. If you like, additionally, you can go for post-product effect, use some loot. If you need, for example, find somewhere loot from, I don't know, Matrix movie, you see, yeah, I will change. Look at this. I don't know what you like to receive final result, or make it on post-production. You in any time can use some bloom, make like this, check, You see, yeah, we have some small glow from this area, something like that, and you will get good result. So, and how I build a city, I'm going back to my tutorial. So this finished, yeah, this finished. We are going back for my matrix, and I use a cloner. I use some city, and from where I take city? From video copilot. As you can see now, I take this material and delete it for a moment, and I don't need now camera. I take some city from video copilot, some streets, just put it here, delete all texture, and apply only one my texture for this city. So now, as you can see, if I render now, play, you can see what I get. I get, yeah, okay, I take out now this one. I don't need any postfix. So I have like this, and just a moment, put a little bit on top. And now I take my material, matrix material, and apply for cloner. What is this? As you can see, I already have very nice result. What I have to do, I just change, yeah, if I play, look at this. You see how it's moving, yeah? If I like to change for box, for cubic, maybe I like to increase for 10 to receive more result. You see it's too smaller for 5 or for 2, doesn't matter, to receive more result. And also if I like to change some direction, for example now, as you can see, all letters dropping down. If I like, I can go for coordinates and change, for example, 90 degrees, play again. As you can see, my letters have other direction. So you can play like this without any problem. When I render, when I set up my camera, as you can see, my camera moving something like that. Now I play, look at the camera, yeah. Camera going from down, then going like this through the city, then jump up and look to some building. So nothing special with camera, just few keyframes, nothing special. Okay, when you are finished render all your pictures, I'm jump to Adobe After Effects. I just take all my footage here. As you can see, like it's moving. I take all my footage. I download from internet original soundtracks. Open title Matrix Reload by Don Davis. It's really very nice music, so I download the soundtracks. What next? I apply this music here, yes, make some little bit correction of this music, okay. After that I'm going for color adjustment. I use some glow, okay, I open it. So I use some glow, as you can see, without glow and with glow. I use some additional glow, and I use some VHF effect. So from where I take this VHF effect? From effects, from universe, stylize this one. If you don't have, just check internet, you can download it. Okay, and additionally I use some black solid just for take this picture and for go this picture back. So I hope my tutorial is very clear for you. I hope you understood it. Sorry for my bad English. And if you like it, don't forget about like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in next time.